Imagine landing a Canadian work permit in as little as 2 weeks, without IELTS, without long wait times, and through a program few people know about. If you're a skilled professional dreaming of Canada in 2026, this video could literally change your life. Today I'm breaking down the global talent stream, Canada's fastest way for employers to hire highly skilled workers, and for you to get a work visa fast. Plus tips to avoid mistakes most candidates make. The Global Talent Stream, or GTS, is a special program under Canada's temporary foreign worker system that lets Canadian companies hire top global talent fast. It's designed for tech, engineering, digital specialists, and other high-skill roles. The key perks are LMIA processing target, 10 business days, 80% of the time. Work permit processing by IRCC, 2 weeks, 80% of the time. No mandatory job advertisement on Job Bank. Spouses and dependents can apply for open permits and study permits when included. In 2026, this remains one of the fastest immigration pathways for eligible talent. There are 2 ways employers can use GTS. Category A, for unique specialized talent. Employer needs a referral from a designated partner and must commit to a labor market benefits plan. Category B, for jobs on the Global Talent Occupations list, like software developers, AI specialists, cybersecurity analysts, engineers, data experts, digital media designers. You don't need a referral for Category B, but your job must be on the approved list. Now coming to the step-by-step application process. Step 1 is the employer checks eligibility. Employer confirms your role qualifies under Category A or B. Category B is usually easier because no referral is required. Step 2. Employer prepares documents. They gather business legitimacy proofs, job details, wages which must meet Canadian prevailing wage standards, and complete their labor market benefits plan, LMBP. Step 3. Employer submits LMIA online. Applications go through LMIA online. This is the gateway to fast processing. Step 4. Pay processing fees. It costs $1,000 per position. Employer pays. You should never pay this. Step 5. LMIA decision. Approx 10 business days. Once approved, the employer receives a positive LMIA letter valid for 6 months. Step 6. You apply for work permit. Send the positive LMIA plus signed employment contract to IRCC. Processing typically takes 2 weeks. Step 7. Work permit issued. You can now move to Canada. Here are the pitfalls I see most often. Incomplete applications. Slows down the 10-day processing promise. Missing LMBP commitments. Leads to negative decisions and a 2-year ban from GTS. Employers charging fees to workers. Leads to instant refusal. Not offering correct wage. Prevailing wage required. Pro tip. Always track your NOC code closely. Wrong knock means delays or rejections. You typically do not need IELTS for GTS work permit processing. Many successful applicants skip language tests entirely. As long as your job offer and credentials are solid. Can it lead to PR? Yes. Many provincial nominee streams and express entry paths value Canadian work experience from GTS, but this is a separate immigration path. The Global Talent Stream in 2026 continues to be Canada's fastest and most powerful route for skilled professionals to work in Canada, often without IELTS and in under a month. So long as your employer prepares the LMIA correctly and you have the right documents, this route works fast. Subscribe for more immigration updates, and don't forget to hit that bell icon.